These are names of equation that you must be familiar with, because most of reflection questions in the exam make use of these kind of lines. So the rule of thumb here is all horizontal lines are named after y, and all vertical lines are named after x. That's why this line goes through 2 on the y-axis, so we call it y equals 2. This line also is x-axis, but it goes through 0. That's why it's called y equals 0. Vertical lines are named after x. That's why this one is called x equals -3, because it cuts the number -3 on the x-axis. And the y-axis is called x equals 0 because it also goes through point 0. Okay, so I'm going to give you different examples of reflection. Let's look at example 1, horizontal reflection. Here we have a triangle and we need to reflect in a line y equals -1, and we label the new triangle B. So let's identify our mirror line y equals -1. That is the line. So we're going to flip the corners or the vertices of the triangle perpendicularly over to the other side of the mirror line. So all you need to do is to take a point, see how far you are from the mirror line, and do the same distance on the opposite. That's what reflection is all about. So let's see. This point is 3 squares away, so it's going to be 3 squares down. Next point, also 3 squares away, 3 squares down. The last point, 5 squares away, 5 squares down. Then at the end, all you need to do is to join the end of those lines, and that will give you your object. Sorry, the image. So we now have an image which is triangle B. And the rule is we just flip each point perpendicularly over the mirror line. They move in 90 degrees. So B is the reflected image, and the green triangle is the original triangle. So this one is called horizontal reflection, flipping over a horizontal line. Let's look at the second example.